Welcome to TechLipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download recordings from your meetings on Microsoft Teams. So, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Teams. From the best matches, you'll find Microsoft Teams. Just open it. And after opening it, just join any meeting or just create any meeting. And then just click on join. Then just make sure your microphone and camera access are properly configured. Then just click on join now. And give it some time, you will be joined into a meeting. And now to record, what you have to do is just click on more, then just click on start recording. And after that, just give it some time. You're gonna see the recorder on the top left side. You're gonna see the time and everything. And after your recording has been done, click on more again. Click on stop recording. Click on stop. Then just give it some time. In the meeting chat, you'll get the download link to the recording in a bit. There you go. You can click on it and click on delete, or you can click on download to download it. And after it has been downloaded, you can just go to your files and see the meeting link. You can even open it. And basically, that is how to record and download your meetings from Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.